So similarly, in this part, what we will do? Whole transpose of the entire equation provided. So it will again x to the power 4 into z cube whole transpose minus z cube into x to the power 4 whole transpose. So what will be? So this will be the final equation which will be formed. So here, since Z is a symmetric matrix, we will directly write it as Z is a symmetric matrix. We will directly write it as Z cube. X is a skew symmetric matrix minus X. So minus X, but it is raised to power even power. So therefore, it will be X. So x to the power 4. Now similarly minus X transpose, X is a skew symmetric matrix, it will be X transpose is equals to minus X, but again this is a even power, it is raised to an even power and therefore it will be X only. Okay. So here what is Z is a symmetric matrix, so therefore it will be written as it is. Now just look at the question given, x to the power 4 Z cube, okay, x to the power 4 z cube minus z cube into x to the power 4, and what it is provided, z cube into x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 into z cube. So we can write it as this. So therefore here what we know, for a skew symmetric matrix, if skew symmetric matrix be A, then its transpose will be equal to minus A, exactly like the provided question. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. So this is only asked skew symmetric matrix, option C is absolutely correct. Now option D, x to the power 23 plus y to the power 23, very easy to solve. Just like the previous question we have solved till now, I am directly writing it, x transpose whole 23, x transpose whole 23 plus y transpose whole 23. Here x and y are skew symmetric matrix, so we can directly write minus x to the power 23, y minus y, this is a raised to an odd power, and minus y to the power 23. So here we can write minus x to the power 23 plus y to the power 20. So the answer will be minus x to the power 23 plus y to the power 23, which is a skew symmetric matrix. So this one is also true. So here we have to be a little quick to solve this, and so proper knowledge of symmetric, skew symmetric and properties of matrices has to be known.